This is Chuck Kowalski with Commodities Street Journal. Hi, this is Chuck Kowalski with Commodities Street Journal. Today is Tuesday afternoon, January 29th. In this segment, I wanted to cover the platinum market. It's one of the biggest movers of the year so far. Platinum's up about 9%, and we've gotten some pretty bullish news out of the market probably in the last month, maybe a little bit longer. A lot of this centers on South Africa. South Africa is the largest producer of platinum in the world. They produce about 75% of the world's platinum. So when we have issues over there, it affects the whole market. And we're starting to see that with some production cutbacks. Production's down about 10% over last year, and this year it's supposed to be down as well. So the world is running supply deficits from last year in 2012, and this year we're actually supposed to run one of the largest supply deficits that we've seen in the last 15 plus years. So it's pretty critical for platinum right now. And one of the major platinum producers in South Africa, Anglo American, they actually shut down one of their mines, I think 4 mine shafts, and they shut down and laid off about 14,000 people, which is pretty critical because that accounts for a lot of production that's going to be taken offline. And the government is pretty upset about that, but bottom line is a lot more production is going to be taken out of the market. We're already running back-to-back years of supply deficits, so it's going to be pretty critical for the price, and that's been reflected so far this year, being up 9%. So going forward, what we have to look at is if production gets cut back, supply is going to be taken off the market. If for some reason production was to increase, really we're going to need a higher platinum price for production to increase because the costs just aren't there. Costs have gone up about 20% for platinum producers, and they just aren't able to turn a profit in that area because labor costs have gone up, there's environmental regulations, so they're really having a hard time. So if the price of platinum doesn't go up, then we're going to start to see less production, and if the price of platinum does go up, there might be more incentive to produce more platinum. But either way, we almost are in a situation right now where we need higher platinum prices. And for the first time in quite a while, we saw platinum jump above the price of gold. Platinum's trading probably about a $25 premium to gold right now, and that tends to stretch out as we go into better economic times. And a lot of the major investment houses are looking for better global economy numbers in 2013, so that should help out the platinum market going forward. And the real driver of platinum is with the auto industry. Auto sales globally hit a record last year, and this year they're supposed to be up about 2.4%. So that's going to put a lot more demand on the market as platinum is primarily used for catalytic converters in cars. So there's a lot of demand behind it, and supply is really being sliced right now for platinum. So platinum's supposed to be one of the better markets of the year for 2013. So keep an eye on that market. There might be a lot more upside. We're at about just below 1,700 right now. The record highs are around 2,200, so there's about $500 until we hit record highs, so a lot of upside potential in this market right now. So that's it for the platinum recap, and this is Chuck Kowalski with Commodities Street Journal.